This, this is how a biryani should be. Fluffy rice falling in soft, separate grains, and the aroma hits you like a fresh wave of spice. You already know this biryani is going to be good. Before this, mine was mushy, sometimes undercooked, sometimes burnt at the bottom. But once I understood the science of biryani, dum started working for me every single time. Let's start by soaking a pinch of saffron in fresh milk. Then add 6 to 8 cups of water and let it come to a rolling boil. Add a good amount of salt. Soak the basmati rice for just 30 minutes. No more, no less. Gently add the soaked rice once the water comes to a rolling boil. Wait for the water to come back to a rolling boil, then start your timer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mash a grain. It should break into 3 or 4 pieces. Then drain the rice completely before transferring it to another pot. A round bottom skillet is best for dum. The heat moves around slowly and the steam does the real cooking. Bring the skillet to a medium heat and add the oil. Now add the boiled baby aloo. Once the surface is nicely caramelized like this, it's time to take them out. The baby aloo are ready now, so set them aside. Now for the birista, slice the onions about as thick as a shilling coin. Cut the onion in half through the center, then slice one half horizontally from the root side. Then gently separate the sliced onion into individual layers. Now let's fry them. Heat half a cup of oil on a low flame. Drop a single onion in. If it sizzles, the oil is ready. Fry the onions slowly for 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. Low and steady gives them that perfect golden crunch. Don't wait for them to turn completely brown. Once they're lightly golden, it's time to stop. Transfer the fried onions to a colander. Press the onions lightly with a fork to let the oil drain. Next, toss the onions onto a paper towel. Now, segregate the onions like this. Place a second paper towel on top and press lightly to soak up any extra oil. Scoop the birista with your hand. See how each piece is separate, not clumped together. This is exactly how it should be. For the masala yogurt, mix in the chili powder first to the yogurt. Then add garam masala, turmeric powder, coriander powder. Lastly, some salt. Mix it well until everything is combined. The masala yogurt is now done. To the same pan with the remaining oil, add some ghee. Keep the flame on medium-high. When the oil is nice and hot, toss in the whole spices. Let the dum bloom. Cook the whole spices in the hot oil for 1 minute, then add the ginger garlic paste and green chilies. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes until the raw smell disappears. Then add the masala yogurt. Turn the heat down low and gently add the masala yogurt. We're building the flavor slowly. Let the masala cook gently for 5 to 6 minutes. When the oil separates like this, you'll know it's perfect. Then add the roasted aloo. Toss in the roughly chopped mint and coriander leaves. And 60% of the birisi esta. Then quickly give everything a gentle stir, just to coat the potatoes with the masala. Allow it to cook and absorb the flavors for 3 to 4 minutes. Switch off the heat and arrange the potatoes so they sit separately. Carefully layer the cooked rice over the potatoes. Take a fork and even out the rice. Each layer should sit nicely for the dum. Do not press the layer of rice. Keep layering gently until all the rice is spread evenly on top. For the perfect dum, always use a tawa. Turn the flame to the lowest setting. Place the tawa and then the skillet. Tawa prevents the skillet bottom from charring. Now, the saffron milk is ready to be drizzled. Drizzle the saffron milk over the rice. Sprinkle with the remaining birista and chopped mint and coriander. Cover the heavy-bottomed skillet with its lid. Leave it undisturbed for 15 minutes. The dum will do its magic. Lift the lid and let the fragrant steam escape. A cloud of fragrant steam rises, carrying the rich aroma of spices, saffron, and caramelized onions. Move the skillet away from the heat. Next, light a small piece of charcoal on the flame. Add the flamed charcoal, pour some ghee, and immediately cover. The smoke infuses the biryani with that signature smoky aroma. This is the Doongar method. The Doongar smoke wraps the biryani in its irresistible aroma. Scoop gently from the edges, lifting the rice and potatoes together. Keep the grains fluffy. Each bite should be a perfect mix of soft rice, spiced potatoes, and fragrant gravy. See how tender the potatoes are? They've soaked up all that flavor. As I take my first bite, I can see the magic of the dum working. Soft potatoes, fluffy rice, all the flavors together. Honestly, this tastes just like it came from a restaurant. If you'd like more recipes, support us by subscribing and giving a thumbs up. It keeps us cooking for you.